Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I'm showing you today how to make this beautiful bangle box for Mother's Day, and it's looking very pretty. I will show you how to make box, how to create these beautiful flowers, and inside this I will share how to make the stand, and the lid is completely transparent. You can see through from top, and this is the super cool idea for the Mother's Day gift. Isn't it looking very attractive? So without any delay, let's get started. Here I'm taking a white color A4 sheet and I will show you how to convert your A4 sheet into the larger size sheet. So this is a 250 GSM sheet and I am attaching here one more strip which is 8 by 30 centimeters on right side. Then in the below I am adding this 10 by 30 centimeter strip. And the big size sheet is ready. Then I have just trimmed from top and from right side little bit of strip, and finally I have this sheet which is 34 by 28 centimeters to create my base box, and from all four sides I have creased on 9 centimeters. Now I am just folding this and burnishing it very well. Then adding glue on all four sides and constructing the box. And the base box is ready. Then to make lid I am taking this sheet which is 22.3 by 16.3 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 3 centimeters. So I am folding these creases and creating the lid. And the lid is also ready just like the base box, and I'm just checking whether it is fitting perfectly or not. Voila, it's fitting perfectly, nice and tight. Now I have some of the pattern paper cut out to decorate the base box, so I'm just decorating it from inside and outside. For inside I will use this paper, and for outer side I will use this dark shade. This is beautiful pack by Little Birdie, and it's decorated. Now the box is more sturdy and stiff. Then taking back my lid, and from all four sides I am just marking on 1 centimeters and making the frame. Then I am just cutting this frame using my paper cutter, and this is done. Now from inside I have added double-sided tape, so I'm just removing the liners and sticking one acetate sheet or OHP sheet with this. and it will look like this. Then on top of this I am adding borders, and this is 1.5 centimeter wide borders. So the inner part is ready. Now it's time to decorate the outer part. So here I am taking my beautiful Dream Cut machine by Little Birdie and this huge size background die. So I'm just making my sandwich and cutting beautiful gold cardstock by Itsy Bitsy using this background die. Running it through my machine twice. Taking it out, and tada! The die cutting is done in few seconds. Just dropping the excess pieces inside this die cut out, and can you see how gorgeous this is looking? Very pretty. Now taking back my box and lid, I am just putting my lid first. Then I am sticking this die cut out on top of this. And then I have this beautiful frame which is also 1.5 centimeter wide, and I'm sticking it like this and trimming out the excess gold paper from both the sides. And the box with the lid is ready. It's looking absolutely gorgeous, just like the ready-made one. Now I will decorate the remaining sides using some more pattern paper strips. Now to make the bangle hanging, here I am taking 3 cm diameter bottle and wrapping total 4 strips of 1.5 cm wide pink color strip around this. My one strip length is 30 centimeters. So ring is ready. Now to make it sturdy, I am adding glue on top of this. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried. Similarly, I have prepared one more ring using 7 strips of 10 mm pink color strip. So both the rings are ready. Now taking back the smaller one, the 10 mm strip ring, adding glue on one side and sticking inside the box. Like this. Now taking the other ring which is bigger and trimming it from center, so it will hold our bangle pipe. So I'm just creating C kind of shape, and now I'm sticking this on other side of the box. Like this. Allow it to dry. Then here I am taking big paper strip which measures 80 by 15.5 centimeters. I have just joined 150 GSM different colors of papers together. You can also use printing paper. And now I will just roll it from one side to make the center pipe which will hold the bangles. At the end I have added gold cardstock. So just add little glue, hold it for a few minutes. So this is done. Now I'm just decorating it using this designer tape. And also taking pink color cardstock and sticking on both sides of the pipe. Like this. So it's dried. Now I'm just trimming the excess paper. And decorating the edge also using different tape. And the pipe is ready. Now taking back my box, and I will check with the designs which we have created, and yes, it is fitting perfectly and looking very nice. Now I will just put some of my bangles on this, and it's working perfectly fine. So it's ready. Now I have decorated the border of the lid using this beautiful border die by Little Birdie, and I have used here gold mirror cardstock, and in bottom also I have added 5 mm strip of gold mirror cardstock on the edge. So the box is ready. Now it's time to decorate the top using some handmade flowers. So here I have cut this 5-petal flower using 0.8 mm pink foamy sheet by Little Birdie. Just heating it little bit on the iron, quickly pushing it in the center using ball tool. And similarly I have prepared already some more flowers, so I am just layering all together to make nice fluffy flower. Then taking 4 wire pollens and passing it through the flower. Add little glue and then just stick it. So this is done. Now taking back my box, and I will just decorate it. I have already prepared some more flower with the same procedure and some leaves. Adding some fillers in between. Here I'm taking this handmade embellishment by Little Birdie. This is new launch by Itsy Bitsy for Mother's Day sentiments. So I'm just taking the topmost sentiment, best mom of the world, and I'm going to stick it on the right corner of the box. Now taking some bangles and putting it inside the box, and I'm going to gift it to my mom, and I'm sure she will be super duper happy after receiving it. So in this way you can make your mom more happy in upcoming Mother's Day. So just putting the lid, and the box is looking very gorgeous. And if you are shopping from the Itsy Bitsy store, don't forget to use code Shivani56112 to get 5% extra discount. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.